Hello everyone, welcome to Inner Healer Project. I'm Tsutomu. Today we are practicing Bhramari Pranayama or bee breathing, a calming breath technique that uses humming to gently quiet the mind and body. It's known to help reduce stress, ease anxiety, and even support better sleep. Perfect for winding down at the end of the day or for moments when you feel overwhelmed. Let's begin by sitting in a comfortable position. Take a few natural breaths and gently bring your attention inward. When you are ready, softly close your eyes. If you'd like to go a little deeper, you can try this variation. Gently close your ears with your thumbs. Let your middle and ring fingers rest lightly on your closed eyelids. You can also simply close your eyes if that feels better. Let your tongue float up towards the back of your mouth, relaxed. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And as you exhale, hum gently, like the sound of a bee. Let the vibration fill your head and chest. We will repeat this a few times together. After each round, we will rest in silence and simply feel. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale, hum gently. Again, inhale. And exhale, hum gently. The last one, inhale through the nose. And exhale like a sound of B. Now take a few slow natural breaths. Feel the space around your head, your chest, your breath. How do you feel now? A little lighter? A little more grounded? Thank you for joining this practice. If you want to revisit the calming effect anytime during your day, I've created a shorter version as well, perfect for a quick reset. I hope you check it out. Until next time, see you in the next breath.